Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a new website that I found out for calling AI models. This website is telnyx.com. If you go to the browser, simply type this address and this landing page will come directly. I'm using this website for past 2 weeks and it's fairly new website, and once you land on this you see all your models directly: Kimi K2, Quen, GLM. We also have Claude, OpenAI. All the models are there, so almost 100 plus models are there. So you can totally get started for completely free. If you see the developers, so you can click on sign up button, and in the free account, as you see, they get you instant access, no credit card required. So you can easily get started for completely free. So right here you specify your email address and click on continue, and they will send you this magic link, and you just need to confirm it, and then they will activate your account here. So no, so you can see, just activate your email address. After that you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So from here you will be able to create your API key. So once it is there, it has APIs for voice, messaging, numbers. You can check their documentation from here, view docs, and exactly tell you how to get started. So once you log in inside your control panel, you will be able to create the API key. So right here, you will see that if you go to the profile section, you will see this option API keys. So you can see we are in the free plan. So once you click, and you get almost $25 once you sign up. You automatically get for this 30 days. So you get this $25 completely free once you sign up with a free account. So as you can see, I've used a free account of gmail.com, and you can unlimited, in this way you can get unlimited access to this AI website. It's fairly new, so that's why I'm making this video. You get almost $25. You can even add more as well, so you can upgrade your account. But for totally free, it's very high because they're giving you $25 completely free. So once you click the API key, I have given this website in the description of this video. You can check the link, and from here you specify the name and click on create. After that, your API key will be created, and just copy this key to clipboard. After that, you created your API key, and now if you want to use the API, it's very simple. So I think you already logged in. So I think I already logged in. So let me just refresh. It's a fairly new website, so that's why you need to log in once again. I think they send you this magic magic link. I think I've already used it. This link. They will give you another link. I don't know what is the problem right here. I already logged in with this email address, so that's why it is not accepting it. So what I will do, I will check out with a new account here, and it's very frustrating. So, but this is a very good website. They give you this $25 completely free credits, as so you can use unlimited Google accounts. Think Let me use the account where I log in. So this I just discovered 2 days back. Telnyx, I think this is. So as you can see, you can't create too much accounts. So I've already created one this account here. So you get $25 credits. For some reason, you will get, yeah, you will get this link here. This is really frustrating, but you need to cope with this because it's a new website. So I was just worried that this. So as you see, we get this $25 credits right here. Now to use this, it's very simple. You click the try demo option, and from here, this is actually a playground section where you can uh, actually get to call with the AI provider. Once it connects successfully, you will be able to. So it's actually a playground section. So it takes some time for the very first time. I already used this website 3 4 times, so that's why if you want to create a voice based application, you click on this button, create application, and it has total support for connecting it through WhatsApp messaging. So the thing about this website, there is no, from here you fill out all these details and you can do that as well. So you get all these features for completely free. So we need to get to the developer doc section. So after, yeah, so various examples are also given. So inside Node.js, you can install their model directly inside your terminal. After installing this, they have given this complete example. Here you just need to replace the API key, and after that the connection will be successful. You can automatically call this. They also have their own CLI system as well. So they also have CLI official tool where you can install this and directly call their API. So this is the actual full documentation given. Quick example it is also given. This is a go command. You directly copy this command. So quick start documentation, API reference, everything is there right here. So this is the go command. You can add this API key inside your path variable, everything. So you can see that. So this is the inference available models. So this is completely open source. As you see, they offer this chat completions API, which is OpenAI compatible. As you see, we have different models here. Moonshot, Kimi K2. We also have GLM, Minimax. We have embedded models as well. So this is the API here. So you in Python, what you do, you copy this example. Let me just show you the demo right here. So you paste, and right here you replace this API key right here. So this API key you can easily get from your dashboard that I already shown you. Go to API keys, just create. I think I have already created this. So let me create the second API key. So I have already created one API key. So you have exceeded the limit on API key. You must have less than one keys to be able. So for this, I need to delete this to create new API keys. So some things about this website are frustrating, but they are offering free access. So it's also very cool. And right here, you paste this API key. So once you paste the API key, we are asking this question right here. Tell me about Telnyx. We are asking this model Kimi K2, And if I try to run this Python script directly, as you see, we are calling this API, and it will return this JSON response to you. And so basically it responds like this. As you can see, the speed is also very good. It directly responds. As you see, we have called this API for completely free. It gives you $25 credits, which are more than enough to actually call any model. So let me change the question here to just show you the. I will simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So once again I run this. So you can make any kind of AI application using this. It can be a JavaScript, Node.js, PHP. The code will remain the same. So we are simply making a request to the API, passing all the relevant things. So you can see now it is actually building a complete image to PDF application using that specific model. It's generating all the necessary code which is required. So I think that this API is really underrated. Nobody is talking about it. It's just released 2 weeks back and I'm using it. So I've also shown you the complete proof here how to call this with completely free. It gives you around $25, which is more than enough to actually try out the complete platform. So you can see it actually built out a complete application, complete full stack application. Still it is generating the code here. So once it completes, you will get this notification. So now it is completed generating all the code here. And if you see inside your usage section, you will get this notification that so these are some of the credits here, $25. You can even upgrade as well. This is a free account. As you can see, we can click on the upgrade button as well. You can connect your GitHub account as well. Upon successful upgrade to a business trial account, your so you can see that. So definitely try this. It's completely free. So this is the website telnyx.com. So definitely try this. As you see, we have generated a complete application, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment on this video if this video help you and also working for your specific purpose as well.